Hello everyone, welcome back to PD Coding. ನಿಮಗೆ SQL Power BI videos ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. But today we are starting something big. From today onwards we are starting Python for Data Analytics full series. If you want to become data analyst, data scientist, business analyst or switch career into analytics, Python is must. In this video I will explain complete roadmap clearly. So watch till end. This video will save your 6-month confusion. So why Python for data analytics? So already Excel ಇದೆ, Power BI ಇದೆ, SQL ಇದೆ. Then why Python? Very simple. Excel small data handle ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. SQL database queries ನ handle ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Power BI ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು visualization ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. But Python data cleaning, automation, advanced analysis, machine learning, big data set handle ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. In real companies SQL plus Python plus Power BI combination use ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So if you know only SQL, it's a limited growth. If you know SQL plus Python, salary will increase. Now I will tell you complete roadmap. Phase 1, Python basics. Don't worry, you are not learning like a software developer. We learn only required for data analytics. So in that we learn variables, data types, loops, functions, file handling. Just foundation strong ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So next ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ NumPy ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. NumPy is used for arrays, mathematical operations, fast calculations. If you are working with numbers, then NumPy is important. So next ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು Pandas, most important. Pandas is a part of data analytics. Using Pandas, read SEV, clean data, remove null values, group by, merge dataset, filtering, real-time analysis. If you learn Pandas properly, you are 60% data analyst ready. So next, data visualization. Using Matplotlib, Seaborn, we can create line charts, bar charts, heart map, distribution plots. Basically Python version of Power BI visual. So after that we will learn real-time projects. In this series we will build sales dataset project, SQL plus Python integration, end-to-end data analytics project. Not just theory, real practical learning. If you complete this series seriously, you can apply for junior data analytics, data analyst intern, business analyst, reporting analyst. In India, salary range will be 3 LPA to 8 LPA for fresher. More if combined with SQL plus Power BI. What to expect in this series? Every week, concept videos, interview questions, mini projects, real-time examples. No boring theory. Everything will be practical. One important thing, don't just watch videos. Practice daily. Even 1 hour per day is enough. Within 3 months, you feel confident in Python. Consistency is key. If you are serious about data analytics, comment below. I am starting Python today. Like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to PD Coding Up. Next video, installing Python plus Anaconda, step by step. See you in next video.